Welcome to Boost My Sale. This video tutorial demonstrates how to list products on the Amazon Marketplace from your web store admin panel. The top of the screen is showing different status of the products that are pushed into the Amazon Marketplace from your web store, and you can either revise or view or unlist the products if necessary. Active products means the product that are pushed into the Amazon from your web store and presently listed in your Amazon store. Pending products are those that have pushed into the Amazon from your web store but not yet approved by the Amazon. No one can find this product in your Amazon store until and unless they are approved by the Amazon authority. Failed product means the product were pushed into the Amazon marketplace from the web store but rejected by Amazon due to some reason. Product in progress is showing the products that are pushed into the Amazon from your web store but Amazon is still verifying them at this stage. This product wouldn't be displayed in your Amazon shop until and unless they are getting Amazon's approval. Amazon orders link will bring you to the manage orders screen where you can see only the orders that are placed from your Amazon store. Boost My Sale enable you to manage the fulfillment by Amazon through the same admin console. The Manage FBA link will bring you to the shipping queue screen and you can find all your existing shipping plans here. Now please click Post New Products button from the top right corner of the Amazon product screen. It brings you to the product management page. From where you can select one or multiple products.
Well, in that case, I would say that you probably the hackers settle the game. Okay, sure.
You can select multiple products and then click Amazon.in link under the Push Product into drop down list. Push products into the Amazon marketplace is multi-step process where the first step is map product. Here, depending on your selected products, you will get these options.
Okay, so let me quickly
Edit ASIN. This button is coming because your given ASIN number does not exist in the Amazon marketplace. Thus, Amazon is asking you to review and edit the ASIN number by searching new ASIN number. You can either click this button and go to the Amazon suggested product with the new ASIN number, or select add new product if you don't able to find your products there. Search in Amazon. This button is coming because Amazon listed product details with same ASIN number isn't matching with your web store product details. Please click this button. It opens another window and show Amazon result of the same ASIN number. You can either select the Amazon suggested product with the same ASIN number or leave your product intact and move to the next step. Add as new product. Add as new product button is coming because you haven't given ASIN number of this product at all and thus Amazon isn't recognizing this product. Please click this button and a pop-up window will open. Here you have to enter the product details in Amazon's prescribed format and fill out the compulsory information. Finally, click add this button and save the product information and push it to Amazon. Amazon category not mapped. This button is coming because your web store category does not map with the Amazon marketplace categories. Your web store category must be mapped with the Amazon category before pushing the products into the Amazon marketplace. If you are trying to push the unmapped category products, then this button comes and asks you to map the category before pushing. Import BTG process. Import BTG a mandatory process when you push your web store products into the Amazon marketplace. Please click the Import BTG button at the top right corner of the map product screen. A pop-up window will open and you need to download the Excel file first. Please open the downloaded BTG file from your computer. It is included the title, product name, SKU and the BTG note ID. Title and SKU are already filled by the system, and you just need to enter the appropriate BTG node ID against each of your selected product in this Excel sheet. Please leave this file open and perform the rest activities. How do you know the BTG node ID of your selected products? Amazon has a special technique of showing similar products using the Amazon browse structure. By selecting from a list of criteria, a shopper can view a list of products that fit his specific requirement. In order to show your products to be visible when shoppers use the Amazon browse structure to locate a category or a product, you need to send an appropriate BTG node ID against each of the product that you are pushing into the Amazon marketplace. Below step will help you to find appropriate BTG node ID against each of your selected product. Download the Amazon BTG file. Please go to the Import BTG window and click the category link under Download Amazon BTG file heading. Your selected product specific categories of the Amazon browse tree guide will be downloaded in your computer. It is typically an Excel file. Now please open the category file and search appropriate BTG node ID for each of your selected product. Now please do the same practice and copy the node ID from this Excel file and paste in your BTG Excel file that you previously downloaded and opened in your computer. Do the same practice for other selected product.
Makes sense because that's for you partners segment.
And finally save this Excel file.
You are doing good. Okay, I definitely agree. You are doing good. But then what I find is few things which you need to do.
Again, please go to the Import BTG window and upload your saved BTG Excel file. And click the continue button. After uploading the BTG file, when you click continue button, the system pop up with the message, the import file will update your BTG of the products. Are you sure you want to import? Please click OK, and BTG file will be successfully updated for your selected products. Finally close this window, BTG window, and move to the next step of your product pushing process. Next step is pricing. Pricing section enable you to redefine the listing price for each of your selected product along with the quantity and competitive price. Product price means your web store listing price of this product. Competitive price means the product's minimum selling price in the Amazon marketplace. Listing price enable you to enter your offer price. Change price link enable you to set your listing price with respect to the competitive price. You can set either the percentage increase or decrease or fixed increase decrease to the competitive price. Once you confirm the pricing of all your selected products, please click next button and move to the product review stage. Here you can review all your selected products along with their title, listing price and quantity. Shipment option. This action enable you to define the shipment option of your selected products. The order can be either fulfilled by you, the merchant, or you can choose fulfillment by Amazon FBA and let Amazon to fulfill your orders. Please click the appropriate option radio button as per your business decision. Also, you can push the selected products partial or entirely. In case you need to push few items at once, then please select the checkboxes next to those products and click the push button. Congratulations, your selected product are pushed into the Amazon marketplace and will be reflected in your Amazon store shortly. Please click the close button and you will be automatically redirected to the active listing of the Amazon products page and can see your recent pushed products as soon as they are approved by the Amazon authority. Thank you.